can't forget the days and man and me alone. We touch it all, me tell the gosh if we push it crown. We full of money now, I never beg alone. A trouble when trouble touch a road.
You a subscriber, from your ear device. You know how I go on at the Irons Boss. I'm here represent for that bad song, yeah. My brother, but not lie. My love, what's your name, man? That song, yeah, is like the youth that sing about my life. So my office stay so I'm come review that song, yeah, because that song, yeah, I said no whole heap of things. And it, yo, the man make the song sound so easy. Cause you know why? The man that sing about reality. And the man name is so unique. Currency. Well on youth. Nothing about that tune, yeah. Nothing about the dog name neither. The man that make you know, so yo, one of the time in life, you know, how we alone, you know. So it's right everything up. Well on no man. Well on no. If you a subscriber, make we get down into that song, yeah.
Them say you wipe and bossy. Tell them how hungry days coming. Them just say we don't know true. We out in the hill, them looking for the snow, yo, dog.
If you a subscriber, as I was telling you earlier on the song, say, the man that sing about reality. Yeah, man, because guess what I go on now? Just like me, you know. I stay and grew up in a one kind of way. I could afford certain things. One time you have one shoes, one time you have two shoes, one time you have one pants, one time you have two shirts. But all I go on, the thing rise up and the game change. Me have a nice car. Me a beat designer. They must say my boss, you know. Hold on. Oh. What about when me did poor? And that the man I make on know. They must say man get hype and boss, you know. Remember, you know, our hungry days grow, you know. Remember, you know, on a time in life, you know, we have one shirt, you know. Remember, you know, one time, you know, one shoes, you know. I go to every party, you know. Hold on, man. Lord, make me live my life. Hold on, youth. Beat my father.
Put it in mine and sport them gala give me throat. My body full of ghost bump you woulda think me cool. Pocket full of dead face them gala rocky pool. And a school when me on a roll.
A subscriber, hold on there. Mama calm down and take time telling about the party. Because the man attack real things. The man say get a youth. Remember, you know, when they go and make the piece of food, you know, from poverty life, you know, to the good life, you know. When they buy the beast, you know, it's upon the highway. When them boy the gala give it. Hold on, no man. What we do? To how we feel comfortable, we just put the man in a sport and live with the pedal. Hold on, man. The man said to him cold. The man said him cold and his body full of gold. Hold on, where I say? Where I say? The man I say a bag of things, youth. Hold on, youth. As I say, every youth can relate. The real hustler them, the straight youth them can relate to the song because of them thing you go on. No joke. Hold on, man. Make we just listen some more of this song, because that song is bad. Me not lie.
You conversate my problems, me solve them. Shh. This color call me. Who on a yard and fuck apartment. Mark X pull up and them gyal get tiny.
Hold on there. The man see a thing a while ago. It's very important. Hold on. It's very... Hold on, man. What is the word? Vital? Hold on. The man say, shh. This color call him. The man say, hold on, man. The man say, what you go on? We own yard and fuck apartment. Someone will tell them you they say, you know walk a rent out be Airbnb and some style. Other good style that. Hold on, you know if you own some place and start rent some place. You know what I mean? The man say, hold on, the ex pull up, you know, and some boy girl get on it. Hold on. The man not talk big niche lifestyle. Hold on. The man not talk no little. Hold on, no man. Me I tell about the youth. The youth I educate the youth them through music right now. I'm on a list. Hold on, man. Here we go on. If the song bad, say bad. Me want to comment bad. Hold on. No. Me go leave the link for that song in the comment section or in the description. Whatever me left it, just go click on it and go listen to the full song and get you the strength. Him name Currency. Hold on, man. Currency. Hold on. What kind of currency in be? Jamaican, you know. Hold on, it come like a pound. Come more than USD. Hold on, man. The youth tough. Cause the youth are talk the things them.
Uptown when them know about lavish. All our girl and my bad bitch. We just enjoy life while we have it. Them say we hype and bossy.
Viewer subscriber, hold on. The song name Perpetual Lifestyle. You know what I mean? And the artist name Currency. Hold on, no, man. Hold on, no. The song are produced by Gasha Blacks Production Limited. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. You know, I like I go on. I'm like all the music videos clean and nice. No gun, no bag. You know what I mean? The man just sing calm and nice and know that shot by my visual studio. So watch I go on. I have to give credit where it go. Because I guess I go on. As I get to grow up and nothing. And table start turn. We have to boss, we have to hype. So go on, say when I want to say, me I live all I know, man. Me I give thanks for my blessings and my success in life. So I guess I go on. Adapt my general I do. My brother from another mother. So if I go on to my father, just go and do the right. All I know. Viewer, subscriber. I want to leave in the comment section. Make me know what think about the song. Make me know what think about the message. Make me know how the artist sound. By the way, as me say, click on the link and go over the song and make him know, say, yo, a Heinz Boss send, you know, hold on, no, man, from the 8 device, you know, what I go on, at the Heinz Boss, fresh and cool, I'm out.
Them say you wipe and